Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research.
Hello friends, in the current week we have seen that the Nifty has bounced back sharply from the important support level of 50 days moving average on the back of union budget and closed at a level of 14,924 with a massive weekly gain of 1289 points, or in terms of percentage 9.45%. Now what we have witnessed is that the market has resumed its higher top higher bottom formation once again on all time frames like daily, weekly and monthly chart, and the market was able to touch a new lifetime high at 15,014, or it has touched and created a new history of all time high of 15,014. Second most important thing is that the market is closed near its all-time high above its previous swing top, which indicates strong bullish undertone of the market. The daily momentum indicator once again have sustained above 55 mark, which strengthen the positive momentum in the short term to medium term. Regarding the charts, now immediate support for Nifty is placed at 14,574, which is the 3 days low, and below that at 14,335, which is a major gap support area. On the higher side, major supplies placed at 15,014, which is the recent all-time high, and above that at 15,218 and even 15,500. Seeing the current situation in the market, the strategy which pans out at this point of time is to buy near the support level with strict stop losses. Traders should keep a stop loss of 14,335 for all their existing long position, or in case of new fresh position which they are going to create in the next week. For the next week, we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader indices. First one is BHEL, currently trading at 1443.55. One can buy this stock on minor dip around 43 mark with a stop loss placing at 41. This stock has the potential to move up to the mark of 51 rupees. Another counter which seems to be promising is IRCTC, closed at 1555. One can buy on minor dip around 1540 with a stop loss placing at 1480 for an upside potential of 1720. So that's it. We'll see you on next Friday. Thank you very much for joining us.